There's a brand new gang on the corner. Since that old gang of mine went away, someone's taking over what belongs to you and me. Someone's raking o'er the coals of bygone memories. There's a new gang on the corner. Since that old gang of mine and you can bet they're singing the same songs we sang yesterday. How the old folks would enjoy it. They would sit all night and listen as we sang in the evening by the moonlight. There's a brand new gang on the corner. Since that old gang of mine went storm clouds gather all around, gray skies thunder. Now we must part, but after the rain comes the rainbow. This I know in my heart. We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. Now keep smiling through just like you always do, till the blue skies drive the dark clouds far away. So will you please say hello to the folks that I know? Tell them I won't be long, no, I won't be long. They'll be happy to know that as you saw me go, I was singing this song. We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. For after the rain comes the rainbow, then we again.